Caesar needs to get along with Patches over here. Patches is okay with him, but Caesar, he just likes to have his ears folded back. I can put him towards Patches again and see his ears.
Oh, he's busy chewing on my fingers.
Yeah, he is. Now look at Patches going to say hi.
He's still got boo-boo on his forehead.
Seriously, Caesar? Just let...
He's not using his claws. Actually just letting him, like, come on.
Ow.
Oh, baby.
Hi. Why are you looking at me like that, Patches?
Aww. Patches such a good boy.
Hi.
Like, okay, whatever.
My baby. This was my baby. That's my baby.
Don't scratch his balls.
Wow.
Look at him. He wants to, like...
Caesar, this is your new brother. Patches, this is your baby brother.
Adopted. Your other brother's in there.
Adopted, wow.
Well, his real brother's in there. He's like me.
Oh yeah, Patches is real brother. His actual
Are you kidding me?
blood
I don't
brother.
want to be in this.
No, your arm is.
I might have my own YouTube channel, maybe. Possibly.
Okay, that's fine. And who said I was putting this on YouTube?
You're gonna put it on YouTube.
Yeah, I know. Okay, fine, I won't get your face. I think I have your face in one of my videos though. Because you came in while I was sitting on the couch and I was singing the chicken song. Seriously, Caesar? And look at Patches is being so nice. Patches is like, whatever. Because he knows he's a baby. The other cats, Yoda especially, and Margaret, they don't like him.
Patches is purring too.
Aww, see? See, Caesar, he's purring because he loves you. Caesar? Would you stop that, Caesar? Caesar!
Look at that. He was like, smack. Look at that.
I know, and look at Patches. He's all like, whatever.
No, you're a lovable kitty, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You're just the most friendliest cat in the whole world.
I know. You mean like Gabriel just lay on him? I miss Gabriel. I miss my son.
Sometimes I think he's the smartest of the cats that we have.
Really, Patches? Caesar, what are you doing? Or Patches, what are you doing? Okay. Should I just turn it off now? Not doing nothing. And I think Patches wants to go away. He's like, okay, I have enough.
I'm ready to go get cat food now.
I want to eat my food.
Look at you shedding, man.
I know, Patches, you got it all over me, and now my eyes are going to be itching.
Come on, Caesar. You good. You good.
Caesar, be nice.
Aww.
Hi. He's such a pretty kitty.
Whoa, whoa.
Well,
Okay.
dang.
Okay.
Hi. You putting your nose up in the camera? Here.
No booger.
Put your nose up. Be nice to him. Caesar, be nice to Patches. That is your big brother. Seriously?
Really? It's like, smack, get back. See what happens. Dude,
He's not Yoda.
I don't think he's gonna do anything to you. You can't start trouble with him.
He's not Yoda. Yoda's in the other one, in the other room that doesn't like you. And
don't try to start trouble with him. We want the cats to get used to each other like you and him, okay? Don't try to make him mad. I mean, he's already being nice. Please. If we can get you guys to get along, maybe he can tell the other cats, like, hey, this little cat's nice, leave him alone.
No, he's not. Look at him. He's like...
Well, he's a baby.
Now he's gonna tuck his tail.
Patches is gonna be like, yeah, whatever. Well, we gotta do it every day. That's what I read online until they get used to each other. So.
Well, the other three kind of really hate him.
Not Billie. She's just like, don't get in my face.
She's like,
If,
stay over there and I'll stay over here.
Yeah, she don't hiss at him until he does what he was doing to Patches. When he smacked Patches, he'll probably be like,
dude, are you done? You done greeting?
Why has he got a boo-boo on his head?
I don't know where that come from. Are you done greeting your brother? Are you done? I guess so. Yeah, he wants attention. Patches likes the attention. Oh, that Patches butt.
I'm gonna go see Billy once.
Yes, I got your tail. I got your tail. And he's like, whatever, I don't care. Here's your Patches, huh? Come here. Come here, boy. What are you gonna do now, little boy? What are you doing? See you. What are you gonna do? You're gonna attack him, aren't you? You about to attack? You're messed up, man. And he's like, I changed my mind. Now you're gonna get stuck in the vacuum cleaner. Or not. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, well there's Ceasar and Billie.
Billy's a girl, just saying.
Yes, I know Billie.
Billie.
I know Billie's a girl. Why
They don't know that. The viewers.
How do you know I'm gonna put this on YouTube? Hi,
Yes,
Billie. Hi, Billie. Hi, little girl.
You put a bunch of cat videos on YouTube already.
I know I did. And they're mostly him. Most of them are him. What are you gonna do, boy? I'm at 7 minutes now. I've never gone that long. Boy, do something. Okay, I'm done. Let's see what happens. Meow. Be nice, Billie. Be nice. And Patches? Patches, be nice to her. I mean, why am I calling you Patches? Him Ceasar. Ceasar. I said, be nice to her. Okay, you done? So, now what are you doing? You're gonna go inside the fridge. No, we blocked it. You can't get in there now. Haha. Nope, guess you can't get up behind there either. Haha, got that blocked too. And I can't see it. What are you doing, boy? Really got your hair standing up? What are you doing to the rug? One silly little boy. Again.